semester later.
Welcome guys. Today I am going to show you how to fix lag in PUBG Mobile. Okay, let's start. Tap device memory. Open download folder. Extract AG lag fixing 2021. Tap it and press extract button. And also press that green button. Successfully extract this file and tap config. Choose your choice. You get 5 files. Select your suitable file. Copy this file. Choose tungstenig.com. Files UE for game. Shadow Tracker Extra. Again Shadow Tracker Extra. Saved. Config. Android. Press that green side button. Don't forget to tick apply to all files. Replace it. Okay, next go to home. Again device memory. Go to download. Next active save. You can get 60 FPS config file here. Copy that. Go to Android, Data, find tungstenig.com. Files, UE for game, Shadow Tracker, again Shadow Tracker. Saved. Save games. Press that green side button. Apply to all. Replace it. Hope you helped this video. See you soon later.